So doing a quick unboxing, just took up the wrapper from the box. Here's the Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm very thankful for DJI Malaysia for including this free gift, which is amazing. Wow. And there's two more actually, but let's focus on this. All right, so let's take out this little and then plastic. What's the other one? Let's unwrap this. Okay, so first and foremost, there's this little, the main board. Okay, so this should, wow, this is heavy. All right, let's put it one side, and then this little box here. What else is inside? Basically all the manual instructions and etc. Okay, so what's in here? Nothing much except for this. Oh, wow. Pocket T protective cover. Alright, so let's put it one side. Ooh, I like the feel of this. It's like slightly velvety. This guy's a very nice grip to it. And here are the magnetic. Of course, this looks very much bigger than the original Pocket 2 cover, which is right here. So much thinner. Wow. Alright, and then let's move on to the star of the show. Oh boy. Let's pull this baby out. Okay. Oh. Unwrap this baby. Oh yes. So what do we have here? There's a lot of things. So you have the USB-C cable, you have the wind muff and lanyard. Okay, and then okay, silicone gel. Ooh, and this is one of the main reason I'm getting this Pocket 3 is because of this baby. The audio is amazing, it's so clear, and it's internal recording, and it's 32-bit float. It's crazy for these features to be available with the Pocket 3. It's amazing. Alright, and then here we have, alright, the extended rather battery pack. Oh boy, wow, that's really stuck to it. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, put it back first. Most likely I'm not gonna use this, highly likely. Okay, I got the creator combo mainly for the mic, for this. Okay, not so much for the extended battery. And this is a very important one, which is, wow, it's really stuck in there. Okay, which is the mini tripod, and yeah, it's got a good rubber feet at the bottom, very sturdy, good, very sturdy, and it goes very low, if you guys can see. All right, it's perfect. And then last but not least, we have the basic or the standard extension. And this is what I'll use a lot. In fact, it will be permanently on the Pocket 3. And here you go, this is it, the beautiful Pocket 3. Alright. Alright, so it has a very nice grip to it, good feel to it. And then so where the contoured grip, and so you combine this together. Oh, nice. Okay, then let me peel this off as well. Okay, Beautiful. And this, ladies and gentlemen, will be my setup without the other handle. Okay, and when I need to, I'll screw this in, and this will be my setup. Okay, and if I go to restaurants and all that, this is how I will be placing it on the table. Beautiful. Okay, first and foremost, muff definitely I need, and this is what I'll be using a lot together with this. And there is still one magnetic little base. I don't know where is it. Could it be here? Let me see. This stuff is sealed real good. Okay, I'm gonna keep this back because I don't use it at all. The external battery as well, I'm gonna keep this in the box. This one I'm gonna keep this because this is quite heavy actually, right? So instead of using this, I'll probably just bring along my power bank, you know. But I truly believe the battery is enough for the camera alone. All right. So one more thing, I have to find that. Found it. There you go. How do you peel this off? There you go. Also another very important item. Okay. And the rest I shall keep it in the box. So if one day when I do sell this, I'll have everything. And this is for this, of course. There you go. Wow, it is very tight. Extremely tight. Beautiful. So I'm always wondering whether once you attach this, whether you can still use the yes, you can. It fits perfectly. See that, guys? It fits perfectly and it's still attached properly. Okay, of course you need to pull this into, in fact, okay, so you can't do it that way. Okay, so the screen is exposed, unfortunately. So oops, I turned it on. Yeah, first time setup. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off first. Okay, now I think this just gets a little bit getting used to how it fits in this box. Okay, so I am right. So it's the other way around. So this thing protrudes out of this opening here, right? So you just keep it in like that, and then you get a nice little feedback, I guess, little when you put it in correctly, and that's it. Does it fit in the pocket? I definitely not as easily as before. Now this is the Pocket 2 with the do-it-all handle, and this is, of course, you must not take this into consideration. So that's how it looks like. So it's definitely thinner, it's definitely lighter, it's definitely heavier. Feel it's better built. One thing that's missing is this audio mic jack. I wish they have it here as well, but I gotta test whether this USB-C connects as well to earphone. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna pair this baby up, and that's it. So thanks for watching. This is the unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 3, and hopefully this works better than this, which I'm from all the reviews it does. So I'm really happy with this purchase, and especially very excited for this DJI Mic 2. Now, for those of you who do not know, you read up more about this. I tell you, this makes the purchase of the Creator Combo worth the upgrade from the single DJI Pocket 2 Pocket 3 purchase. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.